Father, who's 91 years old, suffering from dementia, I can't give him the Healy electrodes, because I won't really agree with him. So I use only the vibration programs of the Healy and use the vibration. I use the Mag Healy extensively for him because I can place it on his stomach or on his back, depending upon what program it is. And for my father, he had because of his age, his kidneys have also started failing, and his creatinine level had risen to 2.5. I'm talking about a couple of years ago. And then Healy had 2 or 3 wonderful programs in McMecan and water activation, and even now in the new Meridians program in the Healy, there is something on the kidney. And I started using all of these every day without fail, because that was one issue. And as he was getting older, it was more difficult for him to get out and see his doctor. Today his creatinine has come down from 2.5 to an average of 1.6. I don't have to take him to a kidney specialist these days. I've been able to spare him of that. He came out of some life-threatening issues which were nothing to do with ailments. There was a physical injury while he was having a nasal tube inserted. It caused bleeding, and we did some procedure. Everything went off well, but he was so weak as a result of the blood loss from that little incident that he had a heart attack and he stopped breathing, and I thought that was it. He survived. Somehow he managed to breathe on his own, and for 12 hours I worked the Healy on him. I've got a couple of Healys and a Mag Healy. And in parallel, I also did some Healy for myself because I knew that I had to be strong and I had to look after him. Within 3 days, he was out of the ICU and he was in the regular room. Within another 3 days, he was out of the hospital and back at home. And within a month, he is better off than what he was when he was taken to the hospital. The doctor herself was amazed. She was a family physician and a very close friend of ours. And she was saying, it's amazing how quickly this thing turned around. I said, the Healy is the cause, for the Healy is the cause. This is the reason why, my father survived at this age. And there was also another incident when I used the Healy and the Mag Healy on a lady